Hey guys, welcome back once again to another Christmas themed video. Today I'm going to talk about my winter skincare routine. Lately I've been receiving so many compliments by other people and by myself because I just feel, and we just feel, like my skin has never been clearer. And I obviously think it's because of the whole combination of products that I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm super happy with my skin right now, so I cannot wait to actually show you all the things and products that I use on my skin to maintain it clear. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If you have any more tips that you want to share with us all, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like this one. So without further ado, let's just get into my winter skincare routine. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. This cleanser is an everyday cleanser for my everyday impurities. I use this cleanser morning and night, and I don't know if it's like that cleanser or my skincare in general, but my face literally has nothing on it, like not a single pimple, not a single anything, just like acne scars and like red patches, but not like the pimples. I use this cleanser morning and night, and I also use it after I take my makeup off after a long day, just to like make sure that my skin is left clear. This cleanser you can find at literally any drugstore. You can find it at Walmart, you can find it at Walgreens, and it is a really great price for a really great amount of product, so I 10 out of 10 would recommend. After I cleanse my face, I always use an exfoliator at night. This is the Amore Pacific Treatment Enzyme Peel, and I have to say the only con about this is that it's really expensive and it gets used up so quickly. But other than that, this exfoliator smells amazing. Like, I will literally buy this exfoliator just to smell it every single day because it smells like glory. And after I use it, my skin feels extra cleansed and extra soft. So after I exfoliate my skin, I never used any toner, but I just wanted to invest in one and like try one just to see how my skin reacts to it. And now I'm using the Boscia Balancing Facial Tonic. I honestly wish it came in a different package because, as you can see, it's like a spray form, just like a spray form, and I just really wish that it, like, how do I explain it, just like I could just like pump it into a cloth or something, just not spray it on my face, because I just feel like for my face to like get all wet with this product, I need to spray it like 3 or 4 times, and it's literally like right here, and I bought it like a couple of weeks ago, so that's the only con about this. But other than that, an actual pro is that when I apply this, my skin feels 100% refreshed and ready to go. So after the toner, I always have to apply some moisturizer. This is the Believe the True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is like my second purchase of this product. This is literally my go-to moisturizer. I apply this in the night, I apply this before my makeup, just like, and at every single point of the day. It is my go-to moisturizer, and it really goes a long way. You can just apply like a single pea-sized amount all over your face and it will cover it completely. Next, I want to talk about my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I'm pretty sure you've all seen this all over Pinterest and all over Instagram, just like all over the social media environment. And you have heard so much of it for a reason. It is really cheap for the like amount you get. I usually apply it before everything, just like before my moisturizer, before literally my makeup. I also apply it like after my makeup for like a setting spray kind of use, and I also apply it like throughout the day to refresh my makeup. Like, it's really multi-useful, I believe. The product in this bottle literally lasts so long. I applied so many sprays and I still have a little bit left. And I also have to say that the green color looks so cool. And yeah, this facial spray is a must. Now I want to take the time to talk about sunscreen. This is the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Moisturizer serum duo with sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 15. I was the kind of girl that did not use any sunscreen before, but after doing my research and after hearing a lot of people use sunscreen before their makeup just like to protect their skin, I just had to jump into the bandwagon and buy this one. This moisturizer slash sunscreen, you don't feel like that sticky and like smelly sunscreen feeling on your face at all. It is really lightweight, easy to apply, and just therefore an everyday sunscreen for your face and neck. Now I just want to take the time and talk about what I use to take my makeup off, like a full face of makeup. I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and I've literally had this for so many months, and still it has like a lot of product in it, so it is a really amazing investment. Like, I don't know what I did before I had this product. It is hands down the best makeup remover ever existed in the beauty and skincare industry. Another plus is that your face will not get greasy after using this. Like, mine doesn't, and my face is so greasy, and I just can't get over this moisturizer. But every single thing has its con, and for this product it's really weird, the con. Like, let me know if you guys use this product, and let me know if you like experience this con. And this con is that after I apply it, like, my vision mysteriously gets so blurry. I don't know why, guys, but it just does, and it's okay, I guess. After I take my face wash and wash my face after I apply this, like, it gets normal, like my vision, so it doesn't really bother me a lot. I can live with it, but I just feel like I might want to throw that in this video just in case. I don't know why it happens, but I can deal with it because it's literally the best thing ever existed. Next, I want to talk about this L'Oreal Paris Hydra Genius moisturizer. I usually apply it after I take a shower in the morning. I don't use it at night just because it's just like really lightweight, and I just feel like it's perfect during the day and not in the night, where you use like a more like in-depth like moisturizing product. A con of this is that it's a little bit watery. It's a con for me because I just like things to like not be watery, but this one is a little bit watery, but it's okay, I guess. Like, it doesn't really bother me, just like something that I just thought I might add just in case you guys don't like it, but I don't mind, to be honest. Next, I want to talk about masks. The mask that I'm totally been obsessed with is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment Mask. I got this in a mini size because I have to say this mask in its full size is so expensive, and right now I can't afford it, so I just bought this little one right here. It is so satisfying when you literally see your face and all the impurities just like been drawn out of your skin. I love seeing that. Some people might think it's gross, but I just find it fascinating. I don't know why. And after I use it, my skin feels extra clean. My face is completely renewed. The next is the Boscia Pore Purifying Black Strips. I use this over my nose, and it's also so satisfying to rip it off and actually see like all the impurities like on the little strip. Something I really love about this product is that it doesn't leave like any residue on my nose. You know, like sometimes I use some really cheap ones and I'm left with like a black cast all over my nose, and it's like really hard to take it off, but this strip doesn't do that at all. It is also cheap, not so cheap, but it's like cheap, I guess, and it is really easy to apply and really easy to take off. The next product that I want to talk about is this Mario Badescu Buffering Lotion. This product literally lasts so long. It says that it is specially formulated for oily, troubled skin. Our effective overnight buffering lotion helps clear painful under the skin blemishes while preventing further breakouts. Yes, in case you didn't understand that, like, this is not for use in like the actual pimple like popping out of your face. Like, this is more for the under the face bumps you have, like before it actually turns into a huge pimple on your face. Something I really don't like about this product is that it like runs off. Like, if I have an under the skin bump right here and I apply it, like it's so liquidy that it actually just like runs over like a tear, and that kind of like sucks, but I'm gonna use it up. Another thing that I want to point out about this is that it definitely leaves a white cast over the bump where you applied it. This is because it's an overnight product, like it says, and like in the night nobody cares if you have like a black cast like on your skin, so maybe that's why. But just wanted to point it out, and I really don't mind, because the point of that is to just like dry up the spot for in the morning, like you don't have it anymore. So I really don't mind, but I just wanted to throw that in there as well. And last but not least, another product that I wanted to talk about is not really a skincare product. I mean, you can apply it, but it's just like a body scrub, and it is the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. My boyfriend really dislikes the smell of this, and he likes coffee, but I like, the irony is that I don't like coffee, and the smell of this like doesn't bother me. But I have to admit, like, this smells really strong, but it doesn't bother me at all, so I'll continue to use it. The good thing about this is that after I use this, like, my skin feels like I just applied lotion all over my body. My body is just so smooth after using this product. It's unreal. Another thing that I want to mention is that it does leave like your bathtub or your shower like really messy after you apply this, but when you just like clean it with water, like running water, it all just goes away. But I also have to say that after I use this, like, the floor of the bath or the shower is left so slippery. I don't know how to fix that. Like, my grandmother was almost gonna fall when she took a shower after I took a shower in my bathroom, and it's because of this product. So be careful with that, guys. It's like, after you use it, make sure to just like apply water all over the place, just in case, like, you don't want any accidents. But yeah, other than that, this product is absolutely the best thing ever to like apply all over my face, all over my skin. It's just so amazing, and it literally lasts so long as well. I had this for a couple of months now, and I still have a great amount of product in this bag, so it's perfect. So anyways, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please make sure that the little subscribe button is no longer red because you subscribed, so make sure that it's like that. If it's not, then subscribe. I really appreciate it. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want, any video ideas, like what you're feeling, how your day is going. Like, I always reply to the comments down below in every single one of my videos, so comment. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you are all enjoying Christmas, well, December. I really hope that you all are enjoying December and all of my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.